In the radiant glow of the setting sun, Moana stood on the golden sands of her beloved island, staring out at the vast ocean that had defined so much of her life. Now, in middle age, with silvery streaks threading through her dark hair, Moana was both a respected chief and a cherished mother. Yet in her heart, she was still the spirited explorer who once defied the odds and found her destiny across the horizon. Moana's days were often filled with the happiness of her family life. Her children, lively and curious, tumbled around her, asking questions about the sea, the stars, and the stories of their ancestors. She shared her adventures with them, recounting the bravery of their past while imparting the wisdom of using courage and kindness in equal measure. Her husband, Kai, was a passionate and gentle man who had also grown up on the island. Together, they led their people with compassion and foresight. They ensured that the traditions of their ancestors thrived alongside the embrace of new possibilities. Kai often encouraged Moana to tell the stories of her youthful explorations, aware that they inspired not just their children, but the entire community. One evening, as the island was bathed in the silver light of the moon, Moana decided to share one of her most profound experiences with her family. There was an old path she had not visited for many years, one that led through the lush jungle to a cliff overlooking the ocean. Gathering her family, she led them through the familiar yet hauntingly new vegetation. Her children giggled with excitement, Kai hummed a soft tune, and Moana felt her heart swell with love. Upon reaching the cliff, Moana sat with her family and began to tell the story of Te Fiti and Te Ka. She spoke of restoring the heart and her adventure alongside Maui. As she spoke, the wind picked up, carrying her words over the ocean just as it had carried her once, so long ago. The ocean is our friend, she told her children, and it is full of stories waiting to be told. It took me to find who I truly was, and I know it will do the same for you. Her children gazed wide-eyed at the endless sea. They could almost see the shadows of Moana's adventures etched in the waves. They now understood that the strength within her was a part of them too. It was a legacy of courage and exploration. Moana smiled softly, the flicker of old adventures gleaming in her eyes, knowing the path she walked had never truly ended. The journey, in truth, was timeless, always connecting the past to the present under the vast watchful gaze of the great ocean.